Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I wanted to tell you what we are doing for Christmas this year. Now, we have 4 kids. We have a 9.5-year-old boy, an almost 8-year-old boy, a 5.5-year-old girl, and a 1.5-year-old boy. So normally, my husband gets a gift for all the kids, and I get a gift for all the kids. And then my mom and other relatives get lots of gifts for my kids as well. So they usually have a pretty big Christmas. However, this year my mom was feeling stressed, so she said that she would give me the money she usually spends if I pick out the gifts. So this is why the list is a little bit bigger than it would normally be, but I just wanted to put that out there. I'm ordering all the gifts this weekend, so I'll put the pictures up on the screen as I go through them so you can see what they are. Now my daughter loves all things girly, so she is getting nail polish. I love the kid nail polish. It's so easy to clean up. When it dries, you peel it off and it's good. It's done. Unlike my friend whose daughter spilled a real bottle of red nail polish all over her leather couch and they never got that cleaned up. So, kid nail polish for the win. I'm also getting her a kid blow dryer, which I think is so cute. She wanted a blow dryer last year, but I had a hard time finding one that was actually a kid one. So this one is a kid one and it doesn't get very hot, so it shouldn't have any burns or anything like that. I got her cookbook as well. It's plant-based cooking for kids. And my daughter wanted another dollhouse. Her one from last year broke, so it just fell apart. That was really disappointing. And it was like that cheap wood, so it was junk. Anyway, I'm getting her this dollhouse. This one only takes Chelsea dolls, but she wanted one with a slide, so we got her that. And we also got her a pack of Chelsea dolls. And then for stockings, I usually go all out at the dollar store. And then I'll just kind of see what dollar store has, if they have anything, little snacks and stuff. Of course, candy. This year, I decided to do stockings just from the dollar store. I normally do most of it from the dollar store, but this time I just did all of it. I'll go through everything one by one so you can see what we did. This year the stockings are just full of edible stuff, aka junk food. Last year we had little crafts and things in their stockings and they just didn't get used, so I figured my kids would appreciate a bunch of junk food and it makes it easy for me. So, the bottom of each stocking will have one of these hot chocolate bombs. My kids like them a lot. The baby won't get one of these, but the kids will. All the kids will have one of these little generic M&M candy cane things. Peppermint bark bars, nice and thick. I probably should have gotten one for myself. They look really good. This was a 3-pack of Cracker Jacks, so each kid will get one of these. Everyone gets their own bag of kisses. I got 2 boxes of Fruit by the Foot. I never buy these except Christmas sometimes. So each of my older kids will get 2 rolls, not 2 packages. I got these really cute chocolate figurines, each different for each kid, so that there's no fighting about it, or no mistakenly eating someone else's chocolate. And then I just got a bunch of candy, so I got peppermint patties, 2 bags of that, peanut butter cups, also 2 bags, chocolate Santas. This year they didn't have any chocolate covered marshmallows. It was so sad. Chocolate balls, and chocolate bells. And I'll just open these and just divide them between the stockings. Alright, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out and helps the channel out. And I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Bye.